Located between the vehicle's speedometer and tachometer is the Vehicle Information Display. It displays operational information such as automatic transmission position indicator, cruise control information if so equipped, various warnings and indicators, fuel economy, and other warnings and information. There is an info button just to the right of the speedometer. Press the info button to display the various information menus on the screen. Rotate the button to highlight a mode you want to enter. Once highlighted, press the info button to enter a mode, where you will be presented with another level of choices. When this button is pressed, the following modes will appear on the vehicle information display. Average fuel economy, MPG, MPH, which shows the average fuel consumption and speed since the last reset. Current trip information, including the time and distance driven since the last reset. Range, which displays the estimated distance the vehicle can be driven before refueling. Outside temperature, setting mode, and warning mode, which displays warning messages if there are any. When in this setting mode, you can adjust the following items. Alert, for displaying notifications when it may be time to rest or when icy conditions may exist. Maintenance, for setting maintenance interval reminders, and Display, for choosing the language and measurement units used by the system. For more information, see your owner's manual.